Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to create a bank account and mode of payment in ERPNext. A bank account is an entity that represents an actual bank account you hold at a financial institution. It manages your business's financial transactions, such as receipts, payments, and transfers. Now, you will create a bank list. Go to the bank list by searching Bank List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Bank List. Enter the bank name. Enter SWIFT number, or you can leave the SWIFT number blank. Enter the website name for the bank. Click on Save. You can also add the bank address and contact information. Now, you will go to Bank Account List. Click on Add Bank Account List. Enter the bank account name. Then, select the bank account type. Go to Account Type and select the account type from the drop-down list. Now, you will go to Account Subtype and choose Subtype Account from the drop-down list. Check the box Is Default and Is Company Account. Now, two fields are populated: Company Account Name and Company. After this, you will select the party type and any party, whether a customer, supplier, individual, or company. You can also link the bank account in the Account Details section. Enter the details for the bank account number. Click on Save. Now, we will create a payment method. Go to the Mode of Payment list by searching Mode of Payment list in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Mode of Payment. Now, go to Mode of Payment and set Mode of Payment as Debit Card. Now, select the type in the Accounts section. Set the default accounts. Congratulations, you have completed the creation of a bank account and mode of payment in ERPNext.